Hello everyone! Today, I will do a battery comparison test among Sony Xperia XA2, Huawei Honor View 10, Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus 2018 and OnePlus 5T. We will use original chargers for the charging test. They all have almost the same battery capacity. Let's see what will happen in the test. XA2 and OnePlus 5T sends the charge first. After 15 minutes, OnePlus 5T charging speed leads. After 30 minutes, OnePlus 5T still leads. After 45 minutes, the speed remains the same. View 10 have greater battery capacity, but its speed is faster than A8 Plus. After 1 hour, OnePlus 5T still leads. There is a big gap between XA2 and it, but in fact, their battery capacity is the same. After 1 hour 29 minutes, OnePlus 5T gets full battery first, and this time, View 10 and A8 Plus are almost full. After 1 hour 38 minutes, View 10 and A8 Plus both get full battery. A8 Plus is a little bit faster. A8 Plus will maintain a certain charging speed. View 10 will start to charge quickly, but then slowly decrease the speed. After 2 hours, XA2 only reaches 90%. After 2 hours 30 minutes, XA2 is charged 98%. Its speed will become slower with more battery power. This is because Sony has a battery care. It will start charging quickly and then gradually slow down. After 2 hours 34 minutes, XA2 finally gets full battery. In this charging test, OnePlus 5T wins. It has the same battery capacity as the XA2, but it is 1 hour faster than XA2. View 10 and A8 Plus get the second place in this test. Now we start the drain test. Before the test, I maximized the brightness and volume and cleared the background. Then let them play the video, play the music, and run the Antutu benchmark each for 1 hour, and record videos until they run out of power. I will adjust their video resolution to the same 720 pixels. Now unplug the charger and start test. After playing 1 hour of video, A8 Plus and OnePlus 5T consume only a small amount of power. And the View 10 with the biggest battery consumed power the fastest, which surprises me. Next, start playing music for 1 hour. After 1 hour of playing music, we can see View 10 still has faster power consumption. However, the speed of the other 3 phones are at a similar speed. Now we start running Antutu benchmark. After 1 hour of Antutu benchmark test, there is a big gap between View 10 and the other 3 phones. There is also a difference between XA2 and OnePlus 5T with the same battery capacity. Now video recording to death. After video recording, we can see that the consumption rate of OnePlus 5T has become faster, and View 10 is about to die. After 4 hours 34 minutes, View 10 is dead. After 5 hours of battery consumption, XA2 is about to die. Sony XA2 cannot record video when only 1% of battery is left, so I make it play music instead. In the end, the XA2 is dead after 5 hours and 11 minutes of continuous battery drain. After 5 hours and 58 minutes of continuous battery drain, OnePlus 5T is also dead. I did not expect it to survive for so long. The display of the A8 Plus will dim when its power falls below 5%. After 6 hours 32 minutes, A8 Plus is also exhausted. In the end, in the drain test, Samsung A8 Plus lasts for the longest time. Huawei View 10, which has the largest battery capacity, consumes power the fastest. Do you think this test result is so surprising?